Welcome to 882 Liverpool Road, a 3-bedroom semi-detached bungalow with a legal lower-level 2-bedroom apartment situated within Pickering's popular Bay Ridges community. The covered front porch of this charming brick home opens into a light-filled main level that features throughout a neutral color palette set against rich and deeply shaded wide plank flooring. Directly off the foyer and exuding an aura of elegance are the beautifully combined entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, with the dining area showcasing a trimmed accent wall and a lovely chandelier, while natural light spills through an east-facing bow window in the living room that is complete with light-diffusing privacy blinds and a window ledge perfect for indoor greenery. The ambient glow of a gorgeous contemporary light fixture accentuates the chic tone-on-tone geometric pattern of the foyer's papered walls, with the foyer also opening into the recently updated kitchen. Featuring pot lighting, 2 south-facing windows, and with the convenience of its existing bench seat, space for a cozy breakfast area, the kitchen also showcases custom cabinetry with high-end soft-closing hardware, upper cabinet moldings and under cabinet lighting, as well as a huge wall pantry with a microwave shelf. Stainless steel appliances include a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer and flex zone drawer, an oven with gas cooktop, as well as a dishwasher, and finishing this efficiently designed workspace is a granite countertop, a subway tile backsplash, and a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink with gooseneck faucet. Newly updated, the main 4-piece washroom showcases a tiled bath area with a soaker tub and rainfall shower head, polished floor tiles, as well as a contemporary vanity and vanity light. And just down the hall is a double-sized linen and toiletry closet. The second and third bedrooms both have good-sized windows with west and south-facing exposures respectively, as well as double closets. While the graciously sized west-facing master bedroom showcases a newly updated 2-piece washroom with a stone-tiled floor, a vanity with stone counter and a contemporary vessel basin, a storage cabinet, as well as a dual flush wall-mounted toilet. This home also features a newly asphalted driveway with ample parking, as well as a new furnace, central air conditioning, and eaves troughs, while its side door entrance provides separate access to the lower level. Just off the staircase's lower landing is a large room with lots of household storage combined with a laundry area, and through a fire door is the legal and very spacious 2-bedroom basement apartment that offers an opportunity for rental income, or for multi-generational families is ideal as an in-law suite. Featuring laminate flooring throughout, above-grade windows, as well as ample storage that includes built-in shelves, good-sized closets, and storage under the stairs, all the rooms have a neutral color palette, are well lit, and provide comfortable living, entertaining, and personal space. New wide plank flooring flows throughout the kitchen and the washroom, both which have been recently updated, with the kitchen showcasing a crisp, light-colored modern design that includes contemporary cabinetry and hardware, a tiled backsplash, ample counter space with a stainless steel sink, and a fridge and stove. While the 3-piece washroom features a walk-in shower area, a standalone toiletry and linen cabinet, as well as a space-saving Euro vanity. The backyard's tiered composite deck has multiple sitting areas, one which has built-in seating, planters, and a pergola, and this very private and low-maintenance outdoor retreat also features a storage shed, has been newly graded and sodded, has new custom fencing, and also has a new wood deck shaded by a mature tree. Within the catchment area of Sir J.A. Macdonald Public, St. Isaac Jogues Catholic Elementary, Pickering High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, all which offer French immersion programs, and close to the iconic Big M Burger restaurant and Douglas Park, this home is minutes to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401. as well as being just a short walk to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.